Hi there, this video is for Nuer Lighting. You responded to my post in the Facebook contracting group, just making a quick personalized video about driving traffic to your website and the SEO or search engine optimization process that we do here and giving you some tips. So if we take a look at your website here in our analyzation tool, Ahrefs, we'll see here that you're not bringing any traffic. You have 7 organic keywords and 151 backlinks, which honestly, those numbers here are pretty decent. But when we look at your keywords, you are only ranking for a few, and you're in the farther down positions here. Now, what we like to usually see on a website is on the home page here, as you have plenty of content, which it's pretty good, but usually Google's algorithm looks for around 1,500 words on the front page. So not only that, you don't have too many actual keywords related to what you'd want to search for on your web page. So when we look at something like Chicago Lighting Company in Google here, that's what we put, that's a keyword. We come down here to Chicago's or imperiallighting.com. So they're third there. And when we look here in our tool, we can see on their organic keywords, which we'll go back actually, look at their analytics. They have 332 organic keywords. They're bringing in 122 traffic from with over 1,000 backlinks. So again, when we look at their keywords here, we'll see Chicago Lighting Company shows up. They were number 1, or I'm sorry, they went down 1 spot. They did used to be number 2, and there's 200 people in the Chicago area, at least, searching for that term. And this was updated on February 3rd. So again, if we go down these keywords, we'll see where they rank in their respective positions for these words. So they're doing that by taking their backlinks here, which actually come from them attaching their website, their homepage website name on other websites that have authority on the matter. So if they're connecting to specific websites that are authoritative on lighting, they are getting more power from those websites. That is the core of driving traffic to a website, is having that relevant website being attached to your website. Google looks at it and says, okay, that makes sense, and they're also a powerful website. You get some of that power from them. The third part that we want to go over, so the first was content, which again, 1,500 words on the homepage, typically filled with all kinds of phrases like Chicago Lighting Company or Lighting Company Chicago, some variances off those. You can put those on a blog, which I did see you had a blog in there, or on the front page. But you need to have those keywords somewhere on your website to drive traffic to it. So if we take a look at the third and final aspect of this, it's the map pack. So this is, visually appealing to a lot of people. As we can see, Imperial is right here again in the third spot. So they're getting traffic off of this and down here on the third spot as well. You rank this up by actually, and if I remember correctly, if we hit view all here, we'll see, I could have sworn I saw an ad for you and your company. If we go back, though, we'll see the top 3. The main important thing here is that you have more listings of your business. So, your name, address, and phone number, and your hours, all that, thrown into a website like Yellow Pages or another search engine like Bing, just a listing somewhere in other websites. That will bring your ranking up on this, on top of having good reviews, up-to-date photos of your business, and things like that, and also any other information that's needs to be applied to your business. Everything needs to be updated and looking good in other directories. So again, to sum up, Backlinks are important. They have to be relevant to your business. So when you have that paired with keywords that make sense and are associated with what people type into Google, it will spell success for you. Now, the third and final, of course, was the Google My Business or Map Pack content that we just pointed out there. All three of those, I guarantee, will bring you business if done right. If you want more information or are interested in seeing more about this and want to go into an in-depth conversation about it, feel free to contact me on Facebook, or you can reach me at my email, which is sheetsdigital@gmail.com. And I look forward to hearing from you again. If not, have a wonderful day, and I hope that cleared some things up.